24-inch round, and it's going to take about 7.5 hours to run through it. All right, I had a friend say, hey, I want you to make me a 24-inch by 24-inch out of a 1.5-inch thick white pine board, and the one at 3D carved. And this would be the cutout. This would be a 1/4-inch groove that went all around, and this would be some V-carved text. This would be a 3D image that's carved out, and then of course the text is V-carved as well. And some of the stuff that came out with that was just the roughing tool path is where it goes around here and cuts this all. Let's go ahead and look at the 2D view. And it goes around there and it cuts out this basically. Then the 3D finishing goes over that. And then the ring is that one right there. The V-carve of the text is there. And then the cutout is there. And so when we run all them, let's go ahead and run it on a preview. And click preview all toolpaths. And it goes through there and it'll run through there and show you all that. A couple things I did with this is I thickened the thickness of it. It was cutting way down, so it only had a base of back a 1/4 inch, so I thickened it in this area right here, so it's maybe about 3/4 of an inch. The top of this is right at the 1.5 inch line, and then I also changed it to the spacing on that. Oops, I had too many clicks. Go back and forth. So I spread the letters out a little bit and made them a little bit different. So anyway, whenever you look at this, I also had the tabs. But when you look at it, you can see the 3D part of the text. And so that came out pretty good.